Hey, this is Chantel with WTI. I love being able to switch up a bathroom just by changing the shower curtain, and I am really loving this shower curtain by Hall and Perry. This is my son's bathroom, so I wanted to make it more neutral now that he's getting older. I've always been a fan of stripes, so I was immediately drawn to this when I saw it on Amazon. The last time we were in New York, we came across this artist that had artwork set up by the Brooklyn Bridge, and I bought several of his pieces and knew they would look great in this space. The slits for the hook have held up nicely, and the shower curtain is 100% cotton, so it will shrink up a bit, so make sure to take that into consideration if you plan on putting it in the dryer after washing. It's made really well though, and I love the feature of the tassels at the bottom of the curtain. So cute. It really ties my son's bathroom together nicely, but that's just my point of view.